few halachot on the inyanim of Rosh Hashanah. One, ochlim ve'shotim usmechim ve'yom tov shel Rosh Hashanah. On the day of Rosh Hashanah, we eat, we drink, and we're happy on the day of Yom Tov of Rosh Hashanah. Why is that? Because the Hazal tell us that this is not a day of Avilut, it's a day of Yom Tov. Bakesel Yom Hagenu Kihot LeYisrael Hu. As we say in the Mizmor, Bakesel Yom Hagenu, it's a day of Hag, it's a day of Yom Tov. And therefore one is obligated to act like it would be a regular Yom Tov and have simcha. Contrary to those people that believe that maybe the day of Rosh Hashanah should be a day of fasting, a day of crying, that's incorrect. It's not a day of fasting. It's asur to fast on the day of Rosh Hashanah. It's asur for a person to cry on the day of Rosh Hashanah. It's a day of simcha. ויש נוהגים לאכול כל אותם פירות שהובאו על השולחן בליל ראש השנה לסימן טוב. As we're going to talk about different simanim that we eat in order to bring siman tov to the day of Rosh Hashanah, that's eaten on the night of Rosh Hashanah. This is again a tremendous siman. It's also zechut for the coming year. Umukol makom. He says, although we're telling you right now that it's really the correct thing is to eat and enjoy, one shouldn't overeat and overdrink and make the whole day into a day of partying where you're inviting, the whole world and come and we'll sit around the table for hours on the meal, and that will take away from the Yom Tov, because again, bottom line is it's a day of Yom Adin, so a person has to balance out the two. There is a Yom Adin involved here, and therefore a person is obligated to be in shul for a longer period of time than probably a regular Yom Tov. The tefillot are longer. A person has to put in more time into the shul, whether it's to say Tehillim, as we know it's a tremendous anyan to finish Tehillim on Rosh Hashanah. Again, there's a lot of different things that a person is obligated to do. So if you're going to sit down and you're going to have a very long meal and you're going to invite a lot of guests and you're going to sit and eat all day, you're going to end up taking away from the Yom Tov. So therefore the correct way to do it is balance it out. You have a nice Yom Tov meal, but at the same time, the person also has tefillah, and he has Torah, and he has Tehillim, maybe whatever he can do on this day in order to add zechuyot. The person needs as many zechuyot as he can for the day of Yom Tov, for the day of Rosh Hashanah, and as the Pasuk says, Vegilu bir'adah, b'makom gilah sham tehere adah. So this day it has both. It has simcha, but at the same time there has to be some kind of yirah, some kind of ri'adah on the day of Rosh Hashanah. Now, just the halakha in regards to the two days Yom Tov, we know that a person is asur to prepare from one day to the next. Now, although Rosh Hashanah is considered in Hazal Yom HaArichta, it's one long day, and in essence, it's not really two days. And even in the Eretz Yisrael, where they always keep one day, on this day of Rosh Hashanah, they would keep 2 days. Halakha is, it still has dinim of 2-day Yom Tov, and therefore it is forbidden to prepare anything from day 1 to day 2. So if a person needs to cook food for the second day, he has to cook it on the second day, and he can't cook it on the first day for the second day. If a person needs to prepare his table, whatever else he needs to prepare for the second day, one would have to wait till after the first day is over, till after Set HaKochavim, and then he could start his preparations for the second day, especially again that there's really nobody that makes early Yom Tov in this case. Nobody prays early, so therefore, the second day Yom Tov Rosh Hashanah, one has to tell his wife and children that they're not allowed to start preparing till after Set HaKochavim of the first day, in order that they don't prepare from one day of Yom Tov to the next.